All right. What is this? Some type of yak, right?
Yes.
All right. Right when you are.
Alright.
Is that a maiden?
Second.
How'd it fly in the first one, CG wise?
Fantastic.
Good, good. Is it with the battery forward the way it was?
No, it's back.
Okay, as long as it flies well.
Not because of a Spectrum. Shut up, man. Dude, you got old headlines, dude. Old headlines. Talking about Spectrum in such a way. I think I got that.
Perfect. I just need some of it flying.
Yeah, but you don't have model match without Spectrum, dude. You could be controlling anything with those radio waves. And it went, no.
It's fast.
Well, that yak I just got, I think is going to be just as fast. From what I saw on the video, I was like, holy cow, and that thing could do knife edge just as well. We good?
Yep.